Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. I have decided to go back and start revamping some of my older videos. A couple reasons. YouTube is really not paying well right now, and so that'll kind of give me some content that I can put up instead of putting new videos up 3 times a week, because I just can't keep up that kind of content and do the kind of videos I want to do. Without further ado, let's get to it. A lot of people think they can mark something from one spot here and mark down, and then come over here and mark it right down from the ceiling. Some houses that may work, but even new houses it doesn't, and old houses like this one definitely does not work. You always want to kind of get a general area where you want to be, mark that area, and then use a level from there. Better yet, if you have one of those laser levels, which I don't have, it would probably be a good idea, but use a level to mark from that one line, and that way you'll actually have a level shelf rather than a shelf going up and down like ways. I can kind of show you the reason why I do it, especially in this house. From this side over here to the door, it's right at 15 inches. That's a little actually under 15 there. You go to this side from there to the door is actually almost a quarter over 15 inches. I checked this line all the way across from the ceiling down, and there's almost an inch difference from one side to the other if you were to go just off the ceiling. So you would have a gradual 1-inch lift angle if you were to just to mark a shelf just off of going off the ceiling or even off the floor. Well, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.